Yeah. Ugbato. Aboruboy. Aboy Boshishe. We are here in a temple of all Òrisàs in Managua, Sao Paulo, Brazil. This is Òdùduwà Temple dos Òrisàs, like we say in Portuguese. Just by me, here is Yawa, like we say in Yoruba. Our mother, our sister, our wife, our everything, our part, our everything in Òrisà. Yawa Jasmina Awodiran Gbenga. She is Onifa Òrisà, a member of the Òdùduwà community. She is the one leading in Europe. They are around me while to participate in this Òrisà pilgrimage, like we say, here in Sao Paulo, Brazil. You are welcome to this program.
Thank you very much. It is my privilege.
Yes, a big pleasure. Please tell us your name very well, a bit about yourself. Like you know, the whole of Brazil, Nigeria, Europe, America, and all practicants, how do I say it? I want to say that are practicing this Òrisà religion are hearing you around the world. Because we have Òdùduwà Temple in Brazil, in Europe,
Yes.
in Nigeria. Now please tell us about yourself and how did you come about Òrisà religion?
So, I come from Slovenia. It is a small country in Europe, but it is a very rich country in the matter of spirituality, especially, and also in the matter of nature, because we have a very beautiful nature. So we are devotees of the nature for centuries.
Centuries.
Yes.
Centuries.
But we
Centuries.
didn't have this
Centuries.
knowledge about the Òrisà in this traditional Yoruba way to worship the nature in this aspect. So we were very pleased to meet Baba King in 2003, a group of 22 Slovenians and one Croatian guy came to Brazil to be initiated in Ifá with Babaláwo Fabumi in Òdùduwà Temple, Brazil.
Babaláwo Fabumi.
Fabumi showed.
Oh, the late Babaláwo. Oh, he has joined his ancestors.
Yes.
So he initiated you.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes. I also feel wow.
Wow, that's
Yes.
fantastic. Now let's hear you.
Yes, and then we had no knowledge about how this functions. We thought we come one time, we initiate, and c'est fini. Then we continue with our life. But then our family members, our friends noticed how much better we are, how much we improved our life, our character, our behavior, our emotional life, and so on. So they asked us, "What did you do to be better?" And we told them. So in nearly 19 years, more than 400 people from Slovenia, Croatia, Serbia, Italy, Bosnia, Germany, and so on came to be initiated in Òdùduwà, Brazil.
Wow.
Yes. It is wow, because we never had any advertising about it.
Well, tell me, how when you got initiated and now, tell me the differences.
Oh wow, it's another life,
Another
it's
life.
another life in all aspects. Because I was quite okay, at least I thought so. I was 33 years old when I initiated, and but I was feeling discomfort in my life, and if somebody looked at me from the outside, he said, "You're okay," but I was not feeling okay internally. And with Ifá, it was the first time that I could really understand myself, what is going on in my life. I could understand the Bhikkhu phenomenon, and so on. So after the initiation, my life really started. so that I can really enjoy it with my full lungs, to breathe with my full lungs.
This is interesting.
It is, yeah.
So you mean now tell me about Odudua in Europe.
Yeah, then next year another group came and so on, and then Baba started to come to Slovenia as well to give lectures. We started to study Ifa with him, and then we said, okay, now this is getting big, so we need an official face. We cannot be just a group of weirdos having some studies with Baba King. So we checked how we can do this. We needed 100 signed members that really signed it and had a stamp that they are official members. And then we could really start to be official. And we are registered in Slovenia as official religion.
Oh, Òrisà religion is official religion in Slovenia.
It is. Since 2007.
Since 2007,
Yes.
Òrisà religion is official. Wow, this is interesting.
It is.
Now tell me, can you tell me thereabouts how many Slovenians through you have been initiated into Òrisà religion?
Through our community,
Through
I
the
will
community.
say so, because we have a lot of priests, a lot of priestesses, and not just in Slovenia, also in Croatia, in Serbia, in Germany, in Italy. So through us, I will say in plural, more than 400 people came here and did initiation. I'm only counting the Ifa, because this is the first time you come. But a lot of people is coming again and again. So
Wow. Now now tell me about yourself. You are initiated in what?
wow, I'm initiated in a lot, because I, in my Ifa revealed that I need to be a priestess, that this has to be my main occupation. So I quit with my previous life,
Okay.
and I started to be just a priestess, a professional priestess. Yes, this is why I had, and it is in my Odu as well that I have to be initiated in all the Orishas, if possible. So I'm trying to do as much as I can. So I'm initiated in more than 100 Orishas.
Wow. So you are initiated in more than 100 Orishas.
Yes.
And you are also initiated in Ifa.
Yes.
Wow. Then can you reveal to me the audio that came out?
I can. It is Ogberte.
Ah.
Ogberte.
Then if that comes out, then you are. Onifa. I think let me not go deep into it. That is a very, very interesting. When it comes out, and I remember many years back I was in a chat with Professor Wanda Bimbola. So he will always tell you that if this Ogbe comes out, the next thing is he will sing that. I will tell, Nifa, something like that, So so since then you've been a priestess. How do you call it? Yanifa, isn't it?
No, I'm Ìyálòrìsà.
Ìyálòrìsà.
I practice Òrisà. Yes.
So you know how to play the logo?
Yes.
Wow, fantastic. Now tell me one thing. You as an European, me as an African, the other person as an American, and we practice Òrisà religion. Are we family?
Yeah, of course we are family.
Wow!
We are family.
Then what makes us family?
Yes. Look, we breathe the same air, we drink the same water, we step on the same ground.
This is
we are
fantastic.
family.
Now tell me, what are your projects for the
We have a lot of projects. Òrisà, as a spiritual community, this year we will have the first Yami festival in Europe.
The first
Yami festival. It is our big privilege.
You're going to have a festival of Iyami Oshurunga.
Yes.
In Europe.
In Bizelska Vas.
Odun Iyami Oshurunga in Slovenia.
In Slovenia, yes.
This is fantastic. You see, I'm talking to Ìyálòrìsà, Jasmina, Gbénga, she was initiated into the Òrisà religion since 19 years ago through Òrisà King, the person behind the Oduduwa Temple dos Orixás in Brazil, Nigeria, and in Europe. She is the coordinator, Ìyálòrìsà, there in Europe. She's now telling us with pride that Òrisà has joined us together as family.
Yes.
No matter the color, no matter the race, no matter the language, no matter anything, that what is binding us together is Òrisà. Tell me, you are initiated in how many Òrìṣàs?
No, I told you it is more than 100.
More than 100?
Yes.
She's
And it is
initiated-
not about competition, you know, getting more and more. It is that it is in my Odu that I have to
Odu.
be initiated in all the
Okay. Now tell me one thing. If you are, I can see you are very vast in the Òrisà religion. If I should ask you, just sing a song for me
Of course.
in end of this Òrisà, probably in you know, like the other time I spoke with Baba, we went into Ori. You know, he said he sang a lot of, you know, from Odufa, and then just cite something in Odufa, Yoruba, or in Slovenia, or whatever. Then sing. Let them hear you in Nigeria. Let them hear you in America. Let them hear you in Europe. This is Ìyálòrìsà. Jasmina, please.
Okay. You know, we are very privileged that we have a great choir in Slovenia. We have drummers. We have
Drummers?
singers. Yes, they drum on bembe.
Bembe.
Yeah, they.
Then you dance for us.
No problem. So, Ire group is a great group of singers. Baba is very proud of us. It is Maya Mesesnel, our dear colleague, that is taking care of our. She's taking care of the language, of the tradução, of the translations, and so on, and also that we sing correctly. Né? And she's great in this. And also she translated all Baba King's book to Slovenian language.
Wow.